Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to flash a rogue custom firmware on the PlayGo. So the things that you need is a micro USB adapter, and you're going to need a SD card itself, of course. Alright, so first things first, we're going to insert the SD card onto the adapter like so. Then we're just going to plug this into our computer. Simple as that. Alright, here we are on the computer now. We're going to plug this in. Okay. And first things first, we're going to format this. We got 4 types of formats. We're going to choose FAT32 because for some reason that works the best on the PlayGo device. I'm going to enter the password here. I'm just going to wait and let it do its thing. And that's about it. Next, we're going to have to go to a website, which I'm going to be leaving in the description, and we're going to actually download the custom firmware that we're going to be flashing onto this device. SD card. Just give me a second here. So we're going to go to this website, and on this website you would see everything, all its contents here. We're going to click on releases. Okay, here we are. So in this case we got version 1.0.6. I'm going to download the SD image PlayGo.bin. Click on save, and I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when it's near done. Alright, so we're back. And we got about a few seconds left before it's done. Alright, then we're going to go to its location folder, and we're going to drag this to the desktop. Then we're going to go to our USB SD card, and we're going to pull up USB image writer, and we're going to move our way to the desktop directory and click on the file that we've downloaded, and we're going to flash it to our USB device. I like clicking on details to see what's going on. Click on write, and I'm going to put my password here and let it do its thing. Alright, now that it's done, we're going to eject this USB device, and we're going to install it onto our handheld device. There we go. So, remove the SD card. and we're going to install it onto the first slot to the left of the device, TF1 to be exact. Yeah. And we're going to power up the device. Alright, so like for every reason, if it's not turning on, you're going to have to remove the battery from the back and reseat the battery. Usually that fixes the problem. There we go. And it's on. Now, on the first boot on this device, it's going to take a while for it to do its job of extracting itself on first boot, and the second time you boot it up, it should be quicker. So it's going to install itself and just let it do its thing. Alright, so it's almost done. Got about 3 seconds till it's done. And there you have it. PocketGo Rogue flashed on to PlayGo using the Linux method. As you can see, all the buttons work. Everything works fine. And as you can see, the dimming light, backlight works. And yeah, everything works fine.